Hello, good afternoon people, welcome to another vlog, another day. So today I have requested our electrical officer to take us to a place where we eat, where we store our food, and for how many days we store our food, this we will find out in our video as further we go. So generally we keep our food refrigerated, so let me take you to refrigeration system and where we store our food. Generally we take our food for 30 to 60 days, somewhere in between, and for 60 days we have to store our food in refrigerated system or either in the dry store. So generally what happens, we take provisions and we store it in our stores. So now let me take you to the stores where we store the food and the systems we have it, and the person responsible who is taking care of that system and how that refrigeration system works. Let me take you to the kitchen of this mighty ship. So today we have with us our electrical officer. Hello Badi sir, how are you? So today Badi sir will explain us the refrigeration system in galley. So he is the person who is taking care of all the things, all electrical fittings on board. So he will explain us today what all things are there. Yes, what's up?
This is our provision refrigeration system. This is actually control panel. This is the valve. This all solenoid valves, expansion valve. This controlling from here. This all temperature settings are here. We have fish room, meat room, vegetable room, and the lobby. We maintain around 16 to 20 minus temperatures. Now this compressor is on. It's 19.5. Then if it is reached to 20, automatically the solenoid will stop.
Okay.
And the refrigeration will stop. According to that, all these settings are here. The fans, the defrosting. When defrosting is having timers, then after certain times, according to our settings, it will defrost, will start, and all this ice will melt from inside. That's how this our refrigeration.
So generally for how many days we can keep our food in this temperature?
It's according to the expiry date, but
Okay.
it will remain long.
Okay. So generally we have designated room for designated items, and we can keep. So generally how this temperature is decided?
Decided normally this refrigeration system for these foods, normally we keep it in minus 20,
Okay.
minus 16 to minus 20. Then vegetable we cannot keep that. Vegetable we keep it minus 4 to minus 6.
Okay.
Sorry, 5 to 6.
Okay. 5 to 6 in positive,
Positive.
to maintain the shelf life of the
Shelf life
vegetables.
of the vegetable, because if it is too much this temperature down, you will spoil this vegetable and all this things. That's why vegetable room temperature is not like fish room and.
So generally this fish room and meat room, the temperature is more or less same.
Same.
Okay.
Fish
So
room.
not much of difference is there in fish room and meat room. Just vegetable room is 5 degrees and lobby is this between part?
Between.
Okay. Can we go inside and see? So this is our lobby, first one?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the lobby. How this temperature is maintained, because it is coming from the meat room and the fish room.
Yeah.
The gas, after evaporating, that gas is coming through this coil.
Okay.
That's why this place become all with this
So these are the coils here.
coils inside. No, this is
Yeah.
the tubes.
This is the wooden
Wooden
part.
because of protection.
Okay,
of
okay.
the pipe.
Yeah, so nobody gets hit or it gets damaged.
Gas is going from inside.
Yeah. Okay.
This is from-
So this is our vegetable
This
room,
is vegetable
5 degrees.
5 degrees.
Okay.
That is the evaporator.
Okay.
The fan is running. Whatever the air is sucking from there and cool down, and it's circulating inside the room.
So all the fresh vegetables are kept here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And especially eggs, milk.
Okay. Let's go to meat room and fish room. This is our meat room. So on this minus 18, it's very cold, yeah?
Very cold.
Okay, let's go. So fish room,
This room also the same.
minus 18.
Minus
So but why they have made two different, fish and meat? they can keep one room for same temperatures, no?
But normally all ships will
Just to
be-
segregate?
Maybe the reason.
Yeah, keeping the fish separate and meat and...
Yeah. Another thing is one more additional this switch is there. If anybody got stuck inside, then we can switch on. Then we'll get the alarm from the bridge and to the elevator.
The one which you are checking every week.
Every week.
Ah,
Weekly,
okay,
yeah.
okay. Weekly.
Weekly.
Okay. This is a safety feature.
Safety.
Same like this also, right?
Yeah, same.
Okay.
All
Somebody
room
gets stuck.
all are having the same switch.
Okay. So there are different cold storage units, or
Yeah.
this is complete one set, or this is different ones
Different compartment.
and combined together.
Combined together means
The fish vegetable room is a different cold
yeah,
storage.
cold
This is
storage.
cold, and combined in one system there, so that we can integrate it there and set the temperatures, right? So here we have the storage of all the items which we have on board. So this is all the store of galley. So all the items are segregated in the racks and they are secured with this stopper. So in case of rolling, this helps to prevent the items from falling. These are some garbage bins, these are rice, these are sugar, rice. Here we have jackets to go inside the cold room, and here we have some pulses, cornflakes, coffees, biscuits, sauces, and Tabascos, Ruafza, and all the can things. So generally all the dry stores comes here and all the cold store goes inside. So whatever the meat, fish and pork, everything goes inside. So this is our storage and our cold storage. So here we can keep food items for us. So right now we are 22 people on board, and we order food for 30 days or 60 days depending on our voyage. So generally if we go Trans-Pacific, so we order for 30 days or 40 days, and if we are going for long voyages, we order for more days, 60 days also sometimes. It depends on the price of the food also and the shelf life of food as well. So once we receive the new stores, that time the vegetables are very fresh, salads are very fresh, but as the days passes, 10 days, 15 days down the line, so the freshness reduces, but we can still survive on the meat part. So that is why we have cold storages. We are keeping our cold storages in -20 fishes and meats. Vegetables we are keeping at 5 degrees, and rest lobby we are keeping at 10 degrees. So this I have already shown you. So this is our storage part from galley, and that's it. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a like, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write it in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care. I will see you in next video. Sayonara.